Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how we can easily use SMSBump for also MMS marketing and SMS marketing. So the first thing what I'm going to do, I'll just click here add application and I will connect it with my Shopify store. I will install the application here. And let's just wait until it's going to load. And here we go. So when you're gonna add great choice, okay, next, you can first collect subscribers here. Automations, I'm going to teach you how you can collect subscribers and how you can create automations. Also, how you can contact support here. Done. So the first thing first, what you need to do is to do the compliance. Then grow your subscriber list by offering them insane deals upon subscription. So I will not go into the compliance and what you should do with it. I'm going to teach you how you can actually use the SMS bump. It really depends from which country you are on. So I can really generalize this tutorial for it. Now grow your subscriber list by offering them inciting deals upon subscription. Click start now. And here we are in collect subscribers. So you can go with a pop-up keywords, footer collection, floating button, or even apt form here. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click here pop-up. And the first thing you can change is a theme. So you can simply choose a theme like this one here. Just choose the one which you like. So let's say you can, I don't know, choose this one here. Be a VIP, join our text marketing newsletter, or just choose which one you like. Then what you can do is to simply, let me show you, edit the main image here. You can remove it and change it. If you don't have an image, you can change the background color and you can change the form time and also the button style. If it's a block or inline with the phone number, and form type if it's also inline or block. When you have the form, you can edit the text. Be a VIP, join our text marketing newsletter. You can edit to be a VIP now. And you can align the text. You can change the text options and also the font. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. When you go further, you're gonna see the country field. You see the font here. You can choose if it's mandatory or no. And then you're gonna see the border settings here, border size. If you're gonna increase the border size, you see that the border will appear there. And you can change the colors and everything. Then you can have a font field here. So again, it's mandatory, like understandable. Then you can change also border settings here, border style. You have an email field here. If you're gonna have email, you can edit it too. And button field, pretty straightforward too, how you can edit the button and change the colors and everything. Now, this is pretty much it how it is and what you can do with it. What you can do also is to simply go to regulation and you can enable element or disable element. Same with the email, you can enable it or disable it. And that's pretty much it. On the checkbox, when you come here, you can agree to privacy policy and TOS. I would just have it as a mandatory here. You can have a close button here. That's like you need to have enabled that. And then compliance country, you just choose it to like Norway or whatever country you're from. And then you have like additional fields here. So, but you need to upgrade the plan. So this is how the design works. You can see it on tablet and you can see it on mobile. Then next form, you can change the layout here. And the text, this is like the second when they are going to subscribe, they're going to see this, and of course you can edit it too. Now you're gonna have the behavior. This is like when it's going to appear. So the first thing first, set a delay. Show 15 seconds after page load. You can have like 20 seconds. Show after scrolling like 60%. You can have it 50, 30%, or just like much more. Like completely up to you. And then show immediately on page load. I wouldn't do it. I would go definitely for 60% or 20 seconds after page load. Frequency, do not show after submit for 90 days. This is good. And do not show it pop-ups is closed. No, I wouldn't have it. I wouldn't do it only because someone can randomly pop up and they want to see the game. So that's pretty much it. What you need to do is to just publish it or make it draft live. And that's pretty much it. Finish and save form on the left bottom. And now text your subscribers will get. You can go to form list. And now, so we got to see the collect subscribers here. What you can do is on the dashboard. This is what I want to show you when we go, before we go to SMS campaigns. So you're going to see in dashboard, you would see all the data. In SMS campaigns, you can create SMS campaign. We will get to it. In automations, you can create simple automations. I will show you how you can do it too. Flows, you need to upgrade, but flows. Then you're gonna have a list and segments here. Like segment purchase in the last 30 days, and you would see right here. Then you can send them different SMS or MMS. Collect subscribers. This is where I will show you how you can create pop-up style and different kind of strategies and forms. Analytics, again, this is the more advanced data that you can do and see for SMS campaigns, automations, and other things. Chat, pretty straightforward. Let your customer service shine. You can do it with SMSBump. Integrations, again, you can integrate it with different tools. Now, when you got it, let's go to those SMS campaigns. Let me show you what you can do. So target audience, this is the first thing you need to add. So if you're gonna have more segments, you just choose the segment you want. And when they spend between $100 and $500, you would see right here. Then sender is a SMS bump, that's okay. Campaign scheduling, send instantly or select a future time and date, send based on your store recipient time zones. So you can go like later and schedule it. So let's say that you're gonna have prepared for 2 months. I was grabbing from people, I don't know, numbers for Valentine because they were interested. And what I'm going to do, I would just schedule the campaign for, let's say, I don't know where is the Valentine. I completely forgot. I'm not in a relationship right now. It was 12th of March. I don't know, whatever. So you just choose a day here, and then they would get all the SMS. Like, okay, day before Valentine, and you would just send them, hey there, we have a new, like, I don't know, new product, go and buy it, right? So this is how the campaign scheduling works. When we go further, we have a campaign name. We can name it Valentine Day. Smart sending enables an interval of 16 hours to leave room between the text messages subscribers receive. Set the time interval in your SMS bump settings. You can enable it or disable it. So smart sending, like, okay, if they received 16 hours ago, they will not receive the campaign again. Then you're gonna see the A/B texting. You need to upgrade it. You can attach a file or a GIF, and then you're gonna see the text message. This would be your site name that you entered when you were creating at the SMS bump. Then you would have a text here for the site URL. They just can click on and stop to opt out to like stop the message. You can also add a discount if you want to. So let's say that you're gonna have like a lot of customers. You would just send them a discount. We have a and just go buy with a 10% off. And now what you can do is to just test campaign message or just review and send the campaign message. And this is pretty much it, how it works and how we can work with SMS campaigns. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. When you're going to click automations here, I can click here, create new. And you can create a campaign here. So automation name. So we can get automation type, and this is the type which is going to be like, okay, if it's going to be abandoned cart, reminder, product upsell, customer win back, you just choose. So let's say that I'm going to send a message to people who are going to abandon a cart. Okay, then recipient is a customer, or you just choose like order paid. When there is going to be a refund, you are going to send them a message, or product created. Again, I recommend like having as many automations as is possible, having with the smart settings and smart SMS campaign that you won't send them multiple messages every single day, right? Product created, voila, and on the right side you see the preview. So, but when I'm going to have abandoned cart reminder, I can have a delay here again. So set the timing of your text message, use minutes, hours, and days to set the sending delay of messages. Disabling the delay will trigger your message instantly. So I can have enable, set the timing delay for your text message. You can do it if you want to. Attach a message, and then you just like add text message and edit the text message here as much as you want it. So this is pretty much it, and this is how it works. You add it here. You're going to see the shortcodes here that you can also change and add, and just build the whole SMS bump by yourself. And that's pretty much it, how it works. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're going to have any questions, I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.